Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T PowerVision. In this video, we will learn about some of the date and time function here. So first, what is the date and time function here? This is the first question that of mind here. This function help you to create calculation based on the date and time. Many of the function in DAX are similar to the Excel date and time function. However, DAX function use a date and data type and can take value from a column as an argument here. So basically, if you see there are various date and time function, but in this we will see some of the DAX function only. So what are those? First and very important date and time function is the weekday here. Basically, weekday returns a number from 1 to 7 identifying the day of the week of a day. By default, day range from 1 to 7 only, and its syntax is the weekday. It will take the argument as a date and return type. Next is the EDATE here. Basically, it returns the date that is the indicated number of months before or after the start date. Use EDATE to calculate the maturity date or due date that fall on the same day of the month as the day of the issue here. Its syntax is the EDATE. After that, it will take the start date and the month as an argument here. Now EOMONTH. Basically, EOMONTH returns the date in date time format of the last day of the month, before or after a specified number of months. Use EOMONTH to calculate maturity date or due date that falls on the last day of the month here. Its syntax is the EOMONTH, that is the function name. After it will take argument as a start date and months here. Now date difference. Basically, it returns the number of interval boundaries between the two dates here, and its syntax is the date difference, date 1, date 2, and interval here. Now I'll see all these four functions in the detail here. So let's come to the Power BI. So this is one of the data model here. Here we have one of the table cells here. So we'll show you how to calculate the day. So this is one of the our data model. Here we have a table named cells here. So here we'll calculate how to calculate the weekday, expiry date, that is the EDATE function, EOMONTH renewal date, and week status, whether it is weekend or weekday, and date difference here. So let's start here. Here we'll take the new column. We'll give the name here weekday. Here we'll give this column name as a day number. That is the weekday function. If we see here, it will take sales, order date. Here we will take 2 here. Why 2 here? 2 means the first day of the week is Monday here. So in the same way, sixth day will be Saturday and Sunday will be seventh day. Now enter. Yes, your day number is calculated here. Now next is the expiry date here. Now expiry date equal to, we'll use the function EDATE here. After that, sales order date. Here we will pass the 5 month here. So this is the order date like 7th August 2015. So exactly after 5 months it is like 7th January 2016. Means it is calculating the date exact after 5 months here. Suppose here if we give 7 month here, we can see here. This is 7th March 2016, means it is taking the date 7 month from the order date here. So now this is the order date 7th August. After 7th month, it is the 7th March here, 7th March 2016 here. Means exactly on the same date, just 7 month ahead here. Like 13th August 2015. After 7 month, it is 13th August 2016 here. Suppose if we give -1 option here, value here, we have that choice. Let's see what happen. So it is just taking date 1 month before if we give the value -1 here. Now next is the, we can see here, order date is 7th August. Now since we have passed here value -1, that's why it is taking just 1 month before, that is 7th July here. Now next is the renewal date here. So click on the new column here. Now we'll give the renewal date. EOMONTH sales order date 6. See here, it renewal date has been calculated here. If we see here, the expiry date falls on the same date exactly here. But in case of renewal date here, it is coming on the month date here. Just for example here, suppose order date is our 7th August here. So renewal date exactly after 6 months will be on the 29th February here. That is the month end here. That's why if you see here the value in this column here, all are like 29, 31. 30, that is the exact end of the month of the same of the particular month only. Now next is the this date difference here. So come to the customer column here. So we'll calculate the age here, age of the customer. Here we have the birth date column, means customer date of birth. Now from here we will calculate the customer age here through date difference function. So we'll see age of customer equal to, we'll take date difference function. If you see here, it is showing that it's a syntax date 1, date 2, then interval. Now here we will take customer. This is birth date. After that we'll use the today function here. Today function basically it returns the current date. So we'll take the today function. Now interval here. If we see talk about interval, we have various options like year, week, second, quarter, month, minute, hour, day. Like in which means in which interval we wanted to calculate the customer age, we can do it here. Like just take example year. Now so this is age of the customer in the year. Suppose you wanted to change in the quarter, we can do that thing also. Quarter. So this is age of the customer in the quarter. Now suppose instead of quarter we wanted to pass the value in the month, we can do that thing also. So this is the age of the customer in the month. Suppose instead of month we wanted to give value in the week, we can do that thing also. So this is age of the customer in the week. In the same way, we can pass the value like day, hour, minute, second as well here. So here some of the, so in this video we have covered about some of the function with the date and time. Apart from that, there are many date and time function, so which you can explore on the Microsoft document. So please like and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision.